Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Economics Objective Past Question 19. If the standard deviation of 10 students in a class is 16, what is the variance? A 4, B 6, C 16, D 160, E 256. So we're looking at standard deviation that has been given to us as 16, and we're asked to find the variance. Now basically the relationship between standard deviation and variance is that standard deviation is equal to square root of variance, and based on this relationship you can say variance is equal to standard deviation squared. So if you are given variance and you're asked to find standard deviation, all you have to do is square that number given to you. Now we are given standard deviation here, so standard deviation 16. So in order to find our variance, all we have to do is square 16, and when you square 16, what you get is 256, and 256 is option E, which is the answer to this question. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.